Oh man, bear market sucks. There's no worse feeling than seeing all reds in your portfolio. I myself am one of the many unfortunate people who got wrecked by Luna and UST recently. Ugh. But despite what happened in the past month, I'm not really fazed by it long term. But how are you so optimistic? You might be asking. Well, settle down and let me tell you why. Even though things may get ugly, it's important to remember that bearish periods actually provide long-term value to the crypto space, which allows the industry to develop new innovations to push forward. It's super helpful to learn from history to understand where we're at now so that we can better prepare for the future. Have no fear, this video will give you something to think about and look forward to. Stick around to the end to find out why a bear market might actually be a good thing in the long term. We interrupt this broadcast to give you some breaking news. Cake DeFi is partnering with Faceit, the world's leading platform for competitive online gaming, in a multi-million-dollar deal that will allow gamers all around the world to earn cash flow from their crypto. This breaking news is brought to you by Cake DeFi, an all-in-one platform that lets you earn those sweet, sweet returns on your crypto. Wow, talk about crypto innovation. This year, Cake DeFi will be offering players more than $500,000 in crypto prizes. That's a lot of money. I don't have to be here anymore. In-game tasks, monthly challenges, and weekly tournaments too. Let me hop on Faceit right now. Where's the link? Where's the link? Oh, down in the description. Nice. All right, back to the video.
Cryptonauts.
What do you know about the past? Were you there, son? Let me tell you how it all started. You see, Youngblood, long time ago, Bitcoin was seen as shady money to the public. People mostly used it for illegal stuff on the dark web. But in 2013, two things happened that would forever change crypto. The biggest drug marketplace on the dark web, known as Silk Road, was shut down by the FBI after they raided the home of the site's founder. Boy, let me tell you, that was one hell of a fight. Soon after the bust, Mt. Gox closed down. It was the exchange that was responsible for 70% of all Bitcoin transactions in the world. Hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin were lost. Boy, I nearly went broke. After these two events, the price of Bitcoin crashed by 85%. And that, my son, kicked off the first crypto winter. It was the longest 3 years of my life. You see, even during the harshest winters, there is a silver lining. While the whole world quickly wrote it off as a fad or bubble, little did they know behind the scenes, innovations and building processes quickly went into overdrive. Programmers are thinking of ways on how to make crypto even more viable. That was when our Lord and Savior Vitalik Buterin created Ethereum, a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality that laid the groundwork for everything in the crypto space to this day. And having learned the painful lessons of having a single exchange responsible for the safeguarding of customer funds, Trezor released the world's first crypto hardware wallet, which is a must-have for all investors. I have one as well, but I lost it in a boating accident. Just when you'd think that it was the end of crypto, something new shows up way stronger than before. By 2017, crypto was back in super bull run mode. That year would be defined as the ICO boom. Thanks to Ethereum's development of the ERC20 token standard, independent crypto projects can launch their product without needing to build their own separate blockchains. ICO volumes grew to 2.3 billion by October 2017. However, this bull run was short-lived as ICOs weren't regulated, giving rise to many scams and fraud. Nearly half of all ICOs launched in 2017 were dead by early 2018. Rest in peace to those investors. Facebook, Twitter, and Google eventually banned all crypto-related ads on their platforms, and the SEC stepped in, alleging that crypto companies were selling illegal securities to the public.
Illegal!
Ouch. And because of all this, the Bitcoin price plummeted from 20K to 3K in the next year. And so the second winter began. But that didn't stop people from building and innovating. Crypto became more than just decentralized peer-to-peer transactions. It expanded to different categories within the space, like DeFi, NFTs, and GameFi. For the first time, DeFi platforms allow traders to pool different crypto assets together to trade against, rather than matching individual buyers with sellers using traditional order books. Traders can instantly swap tokens at a minimal fee, and liquidity providers can earn those fees. It's a win-win for everybody. DeFi also opens up additional earning opportunities for investors, such as yield farming, liquidity mining, and arbitrage trading. Meanwhile, NFTs began to include real-world utilities instead of just existing as a JPEG image. And with the introduction of GameFi, casual gamers in the world can finally earn real income playing video games. Very recently, a new niche of GameFi called Move to Earn blew up. You can earn tokens simply by walking or exercising. I would never have thought blockchain could bring about such applications. The bottom line is all markets are cyclical, whether traditional or non-traditional.
Because it's a circle.
Yeah, we heard about the circle.
Yes, we're
Got it.
familiar with shapes.
The good times eventually come to an end. A lot of projects in the crypto ecosystem may very well not survive the next crypto winter. But the ones with innovative ideas will pull through and come back even stronger in the next bull run and more. Small projects at the time like Aave, Solana, and Axie Infinity would launch with little to no fanfare, eventually growing into huge crypto household names. The only difference now is the period of time bear markets last. The first two winters lasted 2 to 3 years. On the other hand, after the market crash in May 2021, it took 6 months for Bitcoin to reach all-time high again. Who knows? Maybe the cycle will repeat itself very soon later this year. The silver lining of a bear market is that it gives the crypto space time to pull back and identify its own shortcomings, building new safeguards against a future implosion. What happened to Terra recently was painful, but it was also instructive. The way the project was built was inherently flawed. Algorithmic stablecoin, Luna Bitcoin Reserve, sorry, death spiral. Sorry about that, bit of a sore throat there. But yeah, because of this, now the industry knows a different model is needed. During the last crypto winter, concepts like DeFi, DAOs, and GameFi were just pipe dreams. And we've only just scratched the surface. There's so much we haven't explored yet. Endless potential. Once the next bull run comes, we might have something crazy like breathe to earn. You can earn while you breathe. I'm just kidding. So, are there any bear market experiences you want to share with us? Do you know any projects brewing right now that have never been done before? Let us know in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, remember to hodl, secure your crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always. This just in again! Happy 3rd birthday to Cake DeFi! For more of those sweet rewards to come.